First, open the Start menu on your computer and type Services. Click on the Services app when it appears. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and find Windows Audio. Double-click it. Set the startup type to Automatic and make sure the service status is running. Then click Apply and OK. Next, go back to the Start menu and open Settings. Select Privacy and Security on the left side, then scroll down and click on Microphone. Make sure Microphone Access is turned on, and confirm that Let Apps Access Your Microphone is also enabled. Scroll further and check that Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone is switched on too. You can now close this window. After that, go to your taskbar, right-click the volume icon, and choose Sound Settings. Scroll to the bottom and click More Sound Settings. Under the Playback tab, make sure your speakers or headphones are enabled. Then open the Recording tab and ensure your microphone is enabled as well. Select your microphone and click Set Default so it becomes the default input device. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Finally, open the Zoom application. Join or start a meeting. Then click the arrow next to the Audio button and choose Audio Settings. Set your speaker to the correct output device, your headphones or speakers, and make sure your microphone is set to the correct input device. You should see the input level moving, which confirms that your microphone is working. Once everything looks good, you can close the settings window. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.